So artificial general intelligence means something which is autonomous AI, which is able to function in a human world pretty much on its own. So for example, if you think about the Terminator movie, the Terminator character sort of plunks onto Earth and then off he goes with a certain goal of trying to kill this boy, so to speak. Yes. So this is effectively what AGI would do, that it would be able to have general intelligence, which is sort of not tied to a particular area of domain. So currently we have more specific AI, meaning that we have healthcare in AI, we have financial services which use AI, and they're all sort of distinct from each other. So this is what my AGI. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks. Yeah. So the second one was automation. And automation, we are seeing little bits and pieces of it. But then what about massive automation? So level 3 level 5 autonomous vehicles, which means the highest level of autonomy in vehicles. That's possible. So the vehicle could be completely autonomous, and all vehicles would be the same in that way. Then you look at billions of service robots. Then you look at artificial intelligence taking over entire education industry. Then you talk about autonomous robots and nanotechnology combining together to build self-assembled buildings. Correct. So then you effectively let the machine build wall-sit buildings and cities with that. Then you look at the body. Now this gets more interesting and more weird. So you think about 3D printed human organs. You think about exoskeletons. You think about mainstream transhumanism, meaning that humans and machines sort of being intertwined with each other. You think about designer babies, you think about synthetic human bodies and brains, then most human beings having to abandon their physical bodies. Then you think about extreme human longevity. That already Frank kind of touched on that, but I see that could be extended far more. Then you think about genome editing and genome sequencing, such as CRISPR becoming mainstream. Then you look at the mind. So then the mind gets even more weird with that. So you think about brain interfaces and brain implants. You think about mind uploading, brain simulation, uploading and editing dreams and memories, the hive mind and telepathy between humans, obviously, skills and knowledge which can be downloaded into people's brains, memory, thought, and emotion editing. Then you think about uploaded minds being stored and transmitted, and nanobots which can connect our brains to the internet. So this again starts to get in a very, very weird and esoteric. None of these things are actually completely impossible.